Good morning, children. Okay, previous class we have learned about the rough edges, and now we are reading about. Okay, now we are dealing with water. Water is very important in our life. Okay, so water. How does our body get the water? How does our body get the water? Our body gets the water through by drinking water and from the fruits and vegetables we get the water to our body. Okay, then and each time, okay, so we have to drink water every day. We have to drink plenty of water. And then, so from the fruits, which fruit have the more amount of water? Which fruit have more amount of water? Which fruit have more amount of water? That is watermelon. Yes. And all the citrus fruit, that is orange, lime, sweet lime, all the citrus fruit. Orange, lime, sweet lime, musambi. Okay, all these are contain more amount of water. Okay, and in the vegetable, which vegetable contain more amount of water? That is cucumber. Vegetable which contains more amount of water in vegetable is cucumber. Bottle gourd, ridge gourd. Okay, all this contain more amount of water. This contain all amount, okay, more amount of water. So water is very important in our daily diet. And so all this, whatever we are using the fruits and vegetables, all contains the water. So what? And why does our body needs water? Why does our body needs water? Why? What is the reason? So our body is the most important or the essential component in our food. It is the most essential component of our component of food. Okay, of food. We should drink plenty of water. Okay, we have to drink plenty of water, and also water is considered as a food. We can consider water as a food. It also helps in the many process. Okay, we have different systems. What digestive system we have? So to perform this digestive systems, to perform all this we require the water. Okay, we have many systems in our body. To perform this process, water is needed. Okay, water is needed. So let me give. Okay, what is the use of water? By giving an activity. So here, use of water. To know the use of water. So I am giving an activity here. Take a tube, take a pipe or a test tube, or again I am taking the pipe here and a sponge. Okay, I am taking a tube, pipe and a sponge. So what I am doing, I am taking the sponge and I am moving this sponge into the tube. Will it move freely or some difficulty? So it will move where, okay, some difficulty. When you insert the sponge, what happens? It won't move freely into the tube or into the pipe. Okay, so and remove, okay, take out this sponge from the pipe and wet it. We have to wet this. We have to wet the sponge. So it will wet the sponge and insert into the tube or the pipe. Okay, you can say tube or the pipe. Okay, when you insert the wet sponge into the tube or the pipe, it will move there. Okay, it will move freely or it will move easily into the pipe or the tube. Okay, same way, when you eat the food, if the food contains the water, whatever taking the food, okay, the food should be the food. Okay, so the food will be, and we have the food pipe. So through the food pipe, the food will enter very easily. It can move freely. Okay, it can move freely into a food pipe. It will move into our food pipe freely. Okay. Then, so same way, it also helps in the digestion. Okay, it will move easily into our digestive tract. The food will move easily into our digestive tract. Okay, it is the use. So once again, water is very important in our daily life, and we have to drink plenty of water. Okay, we have to drink plenty of water, and some of the fruits and vegetables, they contain more amount of water. And also water helps. Okay, water. What is the, so why we are taking the water? We are taking the water. It move, okay, whatever we are taking the food, it should move or it should move freely. And also what we have to do, water helps the food to move easily into the digestive tract. So it is the windpipe. Okay, we have the windpipe and the food pipe. So we have the digestive system like this. Yeah. So when you eat the food, it will enter. It should enter freely. It should enter. The food should enter freely or the smoothly, and then it should move into the digestive tract. It should enter into digestive freely. Okay. And can you? So it is about the water. It is about the water. Thank you, children.